I'm trapped inside, and he's trapped in here with me. So we're fucking filming all day. No jokes.
So wait,
No written jokes, I
are
mean.
we watching porn today? Or is that tomorrow?
Okay. I ask you every day to watch porn, the fucking camera comes out. Oh my god, look at that. That doesn't.
Look at that shit!
Wait, fucking pointed at that. I can't open the door anymore.
Come this way, tethered bitch. All that shit.
I didn't find a fucking girlfriend. This is bullshit. It's all a matter of opinion, right? Wrong. Wrong. No. You go. I've been a third wheel forever, okay? I'm trying to talk to this fucking dude. My guy, okay? I was like, hey man, I have nothing to do today. Maybe we go have lunch, right? Absolutely. What he said. Who comes? His girlfriend? Yeah, you're right. His fucking girlfriend, right? Oh, she's sad. Wait, when is she not? I got you.
I'm making a porn watching hut.
Hey, what's up with doing porn, bro?
No, I'm just
Can you
kidding.
take it back to the therapist?
No, we're making an igloo. We're gonna hotbox it later on. How? And once it's a big enough pile that has enough pile aspects, we're going to, oh.
I'm not helping him for a very specific reason.
Yeah, what is that
I
reason?
don't wanna.
The main thing is I need to find a girlfriend who can buy me the right size belt. This is my ramp. I made this ramp. I'm proud of this ramp.
So I can't do this anymore. I'm gonna change shoes. Kind of embarrassing.
I got it once. I did it one time. Did it one time. Tell him. Tell him.
He did do it one time, but he hasn't talked about the ratio.
They see the ratio. Don't worry.
I think this is actually the first snow roof jumps that we've had. We have the table positioned. I don't know if they can see the table, but right there, perfectly positioned so that if he does land far enough forward, he'll just slide directly into it. So it's actually it's going to be really fun because. Oh fuck! Ooh, my ankles.
It's funny, I know most of the shit that I say is funny.